Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home and also busy in your study. So students, myself Rajput Pratima and today I am going to explain chapter 9 The Comet first. And the writer of the chapter is Jayant Narlikar. What is the meaning of comet? A heavenly light that leaves behind a trail of light as it moves. मीन्स एक तारे की बात हो रही, धूमकेतु या पुच्छल तारा आप कह सकते हैं. कॉमेट मीन्स a new comet has appeared in the sky and is heading straight for the earth. A head-on collision which is nearly inevitable will mean the end of life on this planet, and scientists and religious leaders react to this situation in two different ways. What happened to the comet? देखिए अभी कॉमेट के साथ क्या हो रहा है. Now first scene, the Tada and amateur scientist can't stay away from the keen-eyed Divya Chaksu for long, and Divya helps him achieve his secret ambition. Dattada's wife, Indramani Devi, wishes he hadn't found the object of his search. Dattada's wife, Indrani Devi, wishes he hadn't found the object of this search. Okay? It was a moonless night in December. A burst of cool breeze from the window was enough to disturb the sleep of Indrani Devi. Half awake, she felt for the adjoining pillow. Although she knew the answer, Dattada was not there, so he has gone to hobnob with that wretched Divya. Okay? And have bothered to close the door. Even as she muttered her complaints, Indrani Devi could not repress her smile. She knew how utterly oblivious her husband was of the practical problems of living. Didn't his doctor tell him to take special precautions against the cold? But he wouldn't remember to put on sweater even if it. So, दत्तादा कोई वैज्ञानिक या खगोल शास्त्री नहीं थे. दत्तादा हस्बैंड ऑफ इंद्रानी देवी, पर तारों को देखना समझना उनका शौक था, उनकी हॉबी थी. लंबी रातें तारों का अध्ययन करने में बिता दिया करते थे वो. एंड उनके जीवन में एक महत्वाकांक्षा थी, एक उनका एम था कि एक नए धूमकेतु की खोज करें. और उनकी विश थी कि उनके पास इतना पैसा हो कि वो एक अच्छी दूरबीन खरीद लें तथा सितारों का अध्ययन करने के लिए उनके पास अवकाश हो. ये दोनों चीज़ें उन्हें नौकरी से अवकाश के बाद मिल गई. उन्होंने एक 8 इंच वाली दूरबीन अपनी इस इच्छा की पूर्ति के लिए खरीद ली. और वो जानते थे कि धूमकेतु सौरमंडल में आते ही हैं और अन्य ग्रहों की भांति वह भी सूर्य की परिक्रमा करते हैं और उनकी परिक्रमा असामान्य तरीके की होती है. वो युगों तक दृष्टि से ओझल हो जाते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज. and was lying on his bedside chair. How could he wend Divya and put her spell on him? She picked up the white woolen pullover, wrapped herself in shawl, and made her way to the roof to break up his tete-a-tete with Divya. She found them both huddled together, eye to eye. At least Dattada was looking into Div's eyes. When Dattada acquired this telescope, he was so thrilled that he called it Divya Chaksu, divine eye. To Indrani Devi, the telescope was like a designing woman who had ensnared her husband, so she just called it Divya and name stuck. The telescope marked the fulfillment of ambition of a lifetime. As an amateur astronomer, he had longed for enough money to buy a good telescope and for enough spare time in which to observe the events, and he got them both when he retired with ample money. And the telescope was duly installed, and long were the dark nights that Dattada spent in stargazing. At least Indrani Devi thought so. Okay. Now Indrani Devi, his wife, who is Indrani Devi? Dattada's wife, cursed the telescope. She called it Divya or Divya Chaksu, divine eye. She thought that the telescope was another woman who had trapped her husband. It made him careless about his own well-being and the practical problems of living, and he didn't take precautions against cold. इंद्राणी देवी उस दूरबीन को इतना कोसती रहती थी कि उसे दिव्य या दिव्य चक्षु कहती थी। उनके विचारों से दूरबीन उनकी सौतन थी जिसने उनके पति को फांस रखा था। दूरबीन उन्हें अपनी ही खोज खबर नहीं रखने देती थी, न ही वह जीने की व्यवहारिक समस्याओं की ओर ही ध्यान दे पाते थे। वह ठंड से अपना बचाव भी नहीं कर पाते थे। Here, put on this sweater, or do you want Naveen Babu to order bed rest tomorrow? Like every other amateur astronomer, Dattada had a secret ambition that he would one day discover a new comet. For comets can be new, coming as they do from the remote corners of the solar system. Like planets, comets also orbit around the sun, but their orbits are highly eccentric. So once in a while a comet comes close to the sun. It has a longish tail that it lit brilliantly by the sunlight, and then it resets into darkness, not to be seen again for years or for centuries. Okay, student. The professional astronomers used big telescopes. Dattada's 8-inch Divya stood very little chance to spotting a new comet. Still, Dattada was hopeful. He knew that the great scientist looked chiefly at faint stars and they miss such an insignificant thing as comet. जो खगोल शास्त्री होते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल होते हैं, वो बड़ी दूरबीन का इस्तेमाल करते थे। उनके सामने भले 8 इंच दूरबीन से इस प्रकार नए नए पुच्छल तारों को देख पाना संभव था, फिर भी दत्तादा को आशा थी कि वो जानते थे कि बड़े वैज्ञानिक प्रमुख रूप से मध्यम तारों का दृष्टि रखते हैं और धूमकेतु जैसे तुच्छ चीज़ों को अनदेखा कर देते हैं। Dattada was optimistic. He knew that the professionals with their pre-assigned programs would be looking at faint stars and nebulous galaxies. They might miss such an insignificant thing as a comet which they were not expecting to see anyway. Indeed, amateurs had often discovered new comets which the professionals had missed, and it looked to Dattada that tonight was going to be the big night, for against the background of the same old star, Dattada has detected a faint stranger, and he re-examined the charts with him, checked his divya for any smudge on the optics, and did some calculations on his pocket calculator in torchlight. For though absent-minded about daily chorus, he was meticulous in his observations. Yes, there can be a mistake. What was looking at had not been there earlier. It did look like a new comet. 2 days later, the Anand Bazar Patrika came out with the news. अभी एक रात को एक नया धूमकेतु दिख गया। 2 दिन बाद समाचार अखबार में छपा कि कलकत्ता वासी मनोज दत्ता ने एक नए धूमकेतु की खोज कर ली है और उसकी सूचना बेंगलोर स्थित भारतीय खगोल भौतिकी संस्थान को दे दी है। उनकी खोज की पुष्टि हो गई। वह धूमकेतु पृथ्वी की ओर आ रहा है और कुछ एक माह में नंगी आंखों से भी देखा जा सकता है और इसका नाम रखा दत्ता धूमकेतु और वह विख्यात हस्ती हो गए। दत्तादा को बधाइयाँ दी गई, परंतु अपने सम्मान में आयोजित समारोह उन्हें पसंद नहीं थे। उनकी इच्छा थी और धूमकेतु नहीं खोजना चाहिए था। उनकी पत्नी भी उनसे सहमत हो गई, परंतु उसका कारण अलग ही था। क्या था रीज़न? वो अत्यधिक शिक्षित थी परंतु अंधविश्वासी थी। उन्हें नया ही भय था कि धूमकेतु पृथ्वी पर दुर्भाग्य तथा आपदाएं लाते हैं। कैम्ब्रिज विश्वविद्यालय में डॉक्टर जेम्स फॉर्सिथ को संदेश मिला कि अंग्रेजी सरकार के सुरक्षा सलाहकार जॉन मार्करफर्सन से आकार मिले एंड सर जॉन ने उन्हें एक लेख दिखाया जिसमें जेम्स ने लिखा है नेचर पत्रिका में छपने के लिए भेजा था। बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण था क्योंकि जेम्स ने भविष्यवाणी की थी कि दत्ता कॉमेट पृथ्वी से टकराएगा और पृथ्वी को नष्ट कर देगा। धैन टकराव को टाला भी जा सकता है यदि सूर्य के निकट आने पर चूर चूर हो जाए अथवा किसी अन्य धूमकेतु से टकरा कर नष्ट हो जाए तो ये त्रासदी 10 माह में घट सकती है। और डिसीजन लिया गया कि पृथ्वी को बचाने के लिए विशेषज्ञों की एक सभा बुलाई जाए। उनके घातक धूमकेतु को अपने रास्ते से हटाने के लिए कोई ना कोई उपाय किए जाएं। ओके, नाउ कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक स्टूडेंट्स। Complete comprehension check in your homework book and complete all exercise in your CW book. Now first comprehension check on page number 77. Why does Indrani Devi dislike Datta's hobnobbing with Divya? Answer is Divya was the name given by Indrani Devi. It was a telescope. Datta was always busy during night with Divya. He never cared for his wife or about himself, so his wife disliked as her rival. Now second is she is complaining and smiling. Why is she smiling? She complains that Divya has cast a spell on her husband, but she could not help smiling at his childlike behavior. He did not bother to close the door and forget to put on his sweater. Now third number. What was Datta's secret ambition? Datta's secret ambition was to buy a good telescope and to have enough spare time to watch the stars. Now second is, what did he do to achieve it? He waited for his retirement. After retirement, he got sufficient funds. Then he bought a telescope and started gazing at the stars without caring for his wife and life. Now, fourth number is, what is the difference between a planet and a comet? Given it in the story, planet has a fixed orbit and a comet comes from the distant corners of solar system and it keeps changing. Fifth number, why was Datta hopeful that he would discover a new comet soon? Datta was hopeful to discovering a new comet because he knew that professional astronomers did not consider them significant and ignored them. Six is, why was Datta say, I almost wish I not hope not discovered this comet? The discovery of new comet brought Datta publicity. Now next, 6. Why does Datta say, I almost wish I had not discovered this comet? The discovery of the new comet brought Datta publicity which he did not like, and he had to attend many receptions and functions. So he wished to he hadn't discovered that new comet. Now next, 7. Why is his wife unhappy about the discovery? The discovery new comet made Datta's wife unhappy. She was superstitious and she thought that the discovery would bring calamities on the family as well as on the earth. Okay? So students, you will complete comprehension check 1 on page number 77. In your homework book. Okay. Okay, goodbye students. Take care. Have a good day.